cream. It comes in this little bottle. And everyone keeps coming over and squeezing it and squeezing it. Sometimes it seems like this could go on really for a long time, I think. Hello, everyone! Seriously, all this time, it's been one bottle that everyone has already tried. Someone have to clean up all this. Seriously, it's unclear how much cream is in this bottle of this size. It's opaque. And there's no information here. How much cream is in this bottle? I don't know. And by the way, how much cream is there in 100 cream bottles in total? What are they hiding from us in here? You know what? In this video, we decided to find out how much different foam is there in various cream bottles. Shaving foam, construction foam, cream, and you know, everything. So, I present to you 100 whipped cream bottles. If you didn't know, it looks like this. So tell me, what do you think? Will we be able to fill this entire pool with 100 whipped cream bottles?
Personally, I think 100 bottles will fill the pool exactly halfway.
So guys, do you understand what will happen in the end after we fill this pool?
We're gonna eat.
Absolutely.
Like you.
Someone has to dive in there, or, you know, like that cake that they keep smashing into people. We will do the same thing. And so the most important question, how much cream is in one bottle? I will solemnly open this experiment and spray the first bottle. Okay?
Let's do it. Let's go.
I can really feel it.
Why does it look so much more appetizing when it's a cake than just like this?
It doesn't look attractive at all.
No! Is it all gone? Seriously?
Maybe we should shake it?
Is that it? Actually, if you look at it, it feels like that's all there is. When we got the pool, I think we might have overestimated our abilities a bit. Just a little bit, seriously. But right now, I suggest not wasting any time and filling this pool with cream completely. Here we go! Woo! I'm very sorry. It might not be entirely relevant, but anyway, I'm gonna leave this here for now just because you haven't been subscribing to the recent videos very much. Maybe you just forgot, I don't know. Well, let's just continue this video. Okay, that's all.
I realized one thing. Squeezing cream is very painful. Look at my finger.
Okay, that's enough. I hope you had enough time to subscribe. Okay, here we go.
What's that?
It's a bird that flew by.
Those pigeons again? Get out of here. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, wait. That's not pigeons. I've always wanted to do that.
It seems that we've somehow overestimated the amount of cream. Even when we realized how much cream is in the bottle, I thought there would be more than this.
Of cream.
What's up, Dima? How's it going, man? Dima, can you breathe? Are you breathing? Is it good?
Very tasty.
Timon, it's a face mask.
Can I wash myself? Screw it, let's do it.
All right, guys, we have the last 2 cans left. Who wants the last one? Dima, catch.
And now, it's definitely all gone. So, how much cream did we get from 100 cans of cream?
For comparison, this one can of cream, and this is 99. Oh, 98. Here's one more.
Anyway, someone has to dive in there, or, you know, like this cake that keeps getting smashed into people. We'll do the same. Who's going to dive?
Do you feel sorry for Jimon or not?
1, 2, 3! Oh! Dima! Where's Dima?
Wait, hold on. Okay, this is a real cliffhanger. What does Dimon look like?
I can't see anything.
During this experiment, we found out that cream is incredibly slippery.
Can I please wash up, guys?
Okay, while Demon is off to wash up, we'll continue the experiment. And now we'll find out how much shaving foam is in 100 cans of shaving foam. 100 cans of shaving foam. I really think we should fill this pool entirely because personally, I've been using one shaving foam can my whole life. I rarely shave. I don't grow any facial hair at all. And I have a feeling that it's endless. So I think that there's really a lot of foam in this can. Like, really a lot of foam. I mean, it's just a lot of foam. Oh, it's still increasing. Oh, this is beautiful.
There's definitely more of it than it should be in a can.
All right, listen, you know, there is definitely a lot more shaving foam in one can than in the volume of the can itself.
Shaving foam increases in size in the air, while cream, on the contrary, it settles in the air.
Those are the peculiarities of different types of foam.
Let's go.
Let's go.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, this is much more convenient and your fingers don't hurt.
It's just strange.
I think we've already done as much as we had done with the cream.
I'm out.
Honestly, I am 100% sure that we're going to fill this pool completely.
You can build a tower out of foam.
Build it again.
Build it out of foam, it's cool.
Ooh.
Oh my God, this is so mesmerizing. I just don't know. It's just so beautiful. I mean, you could watch this forever. I love being a YouTuber. Tomorrow, I'm going to do something even more ridiculous. And now, unexpectedly, out of nowhere, the additional experiment segment. This is our new segment on the channel, where we will conduct experiments unrelated to the topic of today's video, but they're incredibly interesting to try. This is our new segment on the channel. I'm not entirely sure if you will like it or not. I don't know if it makes sense to include it in future videos. So let's do this. If you show maximum activity under this video with your likes, in the next video, we'll have another additional experiment. One that wasn't supposed to be here. So have you all prepared?
Ready.
Yes.
All set.
In this experiment, we want to find out how long a deodorant will keep spraying. I'm sure everyone has had the question of how many sprays one deodorant can produce. So we're about to find out. On the count of 3, we start the timer. 1, 2, 3. How many seconds will it keep spraying under the armpits of our experimenter? Good grief, that's enough already! I mean, seriously, I think this is an endless thing. It runs out so quickly at home.
Well, it seems to be working. All done.
Hooray! It's finished!
Are Are you sure?
Now you know that a deodorant sprays for 2 minutes and 50 seconds. And this was the additional experiment segment. If you show good activity under this video, the next video will also have an additional experiment segment that has nothing to do with the main topic. And now we continue with our foam experiments. Let's go!
I failed that, all right. Unexpectedly.
Is that how you use it, right?
There you go, now save.
We're trying to understand how much foam was there in one bottle, but I don't see anything. That's better. The last little can, the last one. We've been dealing with these for quite a while now, longer than with the cream.
You know, if there was significantly less foam last time, and despite that, we still poured it all over a person, well, we can't not do it this time, considering how much foam there is. Who's ready?
Sergey,
Guys, I'm all washed up. What?
1,
Ah!
2,
3.
3.
Dima, say something.
Abracadabra.
Did it hurt?
It hurt.
Did that hurt?
All right, don't move.
Just so you understand, there's so much foam here that you can hide a person in it. Stop breathing, Demon. You're giving yourself away. Yes, there's a lot of foam here. I suggest moving on to the next foam, which requires much more caution than the previous ones. It's construction foam.
We're gonna use construction foam now.
I won't come out anymore.
Just go and wash
I'm
up.
washing up and I'm going home.
First, as always, I suggest opening one can and seeing how much volume it has. This foam smells terrible, so we're going to wear respirators.
Wow. Still not empty?
It's just more of it.
I have a feeling that we'll fill this pool to the very top.
No matter how much foam there is, it will become even more because it's construction foam. It expands over time and when it comes into contact with the air. So let's see how much construction foam is in 100 cans.
Chill, only 5 cans, and the result is already about the same as 100 cans of foam. So there's quite a lot of foam here.
We've sprayed about 10 cans in there. Well, all right, 15 cans. And here, there's already more foam than there was with the shaving foam. There will be a lot of construction foam here.
It looks like coloring. It sticks well to the walls. I mean, it's so cool. I wonder if we'll make it. here comes the last one.
Ta-da! This concludes the production of our cake. And what can I say? From 100 cans of foam, these, which filled all these boxes, we've got this pool right here. Nobody will be diving in it today, that's for sure.
That's too bad.
Very.
It looks like it's soft and nice.
That was its spine.
It dried out completely.
A few days have passed, and the foam has increased significantly in volume. You can see just how much it expanded in the time-lapse video here. And that's it. So much foam from 100 cans of construction foam.
From a distance, it looks like a huge instant noodle.
Yeah,
cup.
that's a tough one.
What was that?
Cool.
What was that?
Do we cut it?
Yeah.
Yummy. What a feeling. This is an amazing pie.
So the volume you saw is actually not the maximum volume that you can get from 100 cans of foam because it expands. And what remains inside, it stays inside, and it will stay like that forever. But this video has come to an end. Thank you for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye-bye.